It's December, the end of the year. You start being lazier and lazier. Do you ever just get so scatterbrained and trying to do so many things, your multitasking skills start to fail and you just get slower and slower and slower till you don't want to do anything? Let's talk about something similar that happened that invented modular difficulty in video games. So in 1978, Taito released Space Invaders, and there's a lot going on in this game. You've got your little tank at the bottom, you've got your several bases, I think 4 or 6, I don't think there's 8, but maybe 8, and then you've got a whole bunch of enemies, and they come at you, and they come at you, and they do a zigzag down. Now, there's so much on the screen that the computer inside the machine had a real hard time animating that. So as you killed them, it freed up processing power and they started moving faster and faster. That was like actually not the intent. It was an accident and it revolutionized gameplay. Apparently Space Invaders is the most revolutionary video game of all time. However, I think that was Street Fighter. Anyway, let's play some game, and then we'll get back to talking about it a little bit more. Before we get right into it, let's take a look at this control panel. You've got those are start buttons. Start for a single player game, start for a 2-player game, your single fire button, and your 4-way joystick that has actually been locked, so it only goes left and right. I've never actually seen them incorporate some sort of gate to stop the joystick from moving in all the directions built right into the control panel before. Oh yeah, let's just throw in a couple quarters. Play player one. Nice, bonus points for me. You can even hear the music getting faster as the processing opens up. So close. Oh no! Come on, bitches. Look how fast they start going. They're coming for me. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, high score though. What? I'm feeling inspired. You can see up here I've got the seal of Metatron from Silent Hill, keeping that world from invading ours on top of my Christmas tree. But I think I'm gonna do one of the Space Invaders. I could just cut it on the laser. It'd be so easy for me to do. Have you ever played an arcade game? You throwing all your loonies, or back in the day it was quarters, throwing all your lunch money or your allowance or whatever change your mom threw at you so you wouldn't be so bored at the laundromat. That was my personal experience. And your wrists and your arms, like you're so sore. It starts in the wrist, it goes right up here. That has an actual medical term called Space Invaders wrist. I generally get it from Mortal Kombat or Marvel vs. Capcom 2, just because I'm so good at those games. A quarter will last me like from the beginning to the end of the game. But I used to play like professionally, whatever that means. But yeah, medical terminology from a video game. That's just crazy talk. Do you like Space Invaders? Do you prefer Galaga? Let me know. I need to know what you people want, what you people like. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy some quality time with my Kit Kats. Merry Christmas. I'll be back next week though. Don't think I'll forget again. The guilt is eating me alive.